Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Today I have a must-try, quick and easy Dollar Tree Christmas decor DIY, and it is so adorable and fun for all ages. If you would like to see what I come up with, just keep on watching and let's art today. Today, I will be making gingerbread houses using the children's doll houses from Dollar Tree. As I was uploading my files, part of my video somehow deleted, so I apologize. All I did was remove each one from its packaging, sanded it down lightly, and then I took my acrylic paints and painted one a traditional gingerbread color house using browns and greens and red, and the other using pastel colors using pinks and purples as you see here. After I was done painting the houses, I just took some fake snow, hot glued it to the top of the roof and over the windows and some over the door. After everything was completely dried, I am going to be adding some embellishments using some foam balls and perler beads that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I will be hot gluing them onto the roofs of each house to mimic gumdrops and hard candy. As I am gluing these balls down, question for today is, what is your favorite Christmas movie that you can absolutely watch every year, hands down? Let me know. I would love to watch it myself and maybe add it to my Christmas movie list. Next, I will be taking this leftover wooden tray piece that was used in a different project that I will link here on the upper right hand corner for you if you want to check it out later. I have two pieces. All I'm doing is removing the sticker sorry, I had a brain fart, and on each one, and then I will be hot gluing each house to that wooden piece. So Dollar Tree has really been upping their game with their home decor or seasonal decor with these bottle brush trees. I know they had them for Halloween and now they have more for Christmas. I'm taking one out of the package and hot gluing it to the pastel Candyland gingerbread house one, and now I will be taking some purple ribbon and I will be putting it from the front door all the way out to act as a walkway. And now that is nice and hot glued down, I am going to be decorating this little Christmas tree using the same foam balls that I used earlier with the pink and silver in the tree. I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue to the foam ball and I'm pushing it into the bottle brush tree. Now that I completed that, I am going to be adding some more snow to the bottom tray. I was attempting to use Mod Podge first to hold the snow into place, but I noticed that it wasn't really holding completely, and I went back in later and added some more hot glue and then added another layer on top of it. While I wait for that to dry, I found these cute wooden die cuts from Dollar Tree that looks like little gingerbread, and all I did was stain them with brown acrylic paint and a little bit of water. Now I'm taking my white acrylic pen and I will be drawing in the little details of the gingerbread. Now that everything is completely dried, I'm taking more hot glue and adding it to the bottom of the little gingerbread's feet, and I will be gluing it down to the tray. And if you could take this moment to please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to click on the bell notification so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. I would love for you to be part of my virtual art family. So I'm just continuing to hot glue the little gingerbread men down onto the tray. Looking back, I really wish I would have painted the bottom tray the same color as the house so that everything would be matching and cohesive. Did go in with some more foam balls and added a little snowman in the back just using the pink foam balls. Next I will be taking these LED lights that I purchased at Dollar Tree and I will be hot gluing and taping them in the back of the house. This part at first was a little bit tricky, but after I figured out where I wanted the lights to go and how they were going to lay, it became a little bit easier. And here's how it turned out. Look how adorable it is. I absolutely love it, and I love that it lights up. Here is the other house that I decorated off camera. All I did was add a little bit Christmas presents that Dollar Tree does carry, and I did stain this tray as the same color as the gingerbread houses. I did add more gingerbread men to each one of the houses, and I just think these are so adorable. Like I said earlier, these were so simple, easy, and very quick to do. Anybody can do it to add a little pop to your gingerbread themed houses. If you can, please remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to click on the bell notification so YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video. And since you're there, please hit that thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. Also, don't forget to leave your favorite Christmas movies down in the comment section below. I would love to read it over and maybe add them to my Christmas playlist this year. If you have missed any of my Christmas DIYs, don't you worry. I will leave a link here down below in the description box for you of my Christmas playlist. Also, if you're looking for that perfect stocking stuffer or a last minute gift, come check out my website. I will also leave that link down below in the description box as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.